going to do some fish today. We're actually going to do a low-carb tuna melt patty. And we're going to cook it in the air fryer. So there's very few ingredients. So let's get started. We've got 1 can of tuna. And I have drained it. And we're going to kind of mash it down a little bit. And I've got 1 egg. Going to mix it up a little bit. And put it inside the tuna. Stir it up. You want to coat the tuna real well with it. Okay, let's put a little bit of pepper in there. Now Bert likes pepper, so I'm going to do a lot of pepper. This is his surprise. I'm not really a big fish person. Okay, now this is a 3/4 cup measure, but I've only got like a 1/2 cup of cheese in there. So I'm not sure we're going to use it all, but let's see how it's going to work. Well, let's go ahead and put it all. It looks like it'll take it. And also, I've got some almond flour. And this is a 1/2 cup measuring thing, but we've got like 1/4 cup of almond flour in there. And that's going to do the coating of it and give it that crispy look when it gets through in the air fryer. And that's it. The tuna's already got salt in it, so we're not going to add any extra salt. And unless you want minced onions or something in your tuna, which Bert doesn't like that. So this is it. And we're just going to pat them out into patties and cook it in the air fryer on 400 for about 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 minutes, start watching it and determine how brown you want it. And this can use just a little bit more almond flour. So let's add just a tad bit more to it. A little bit still too wet. Hope everybody's having a good day. It's beautiful here. It's in the 80s, sunny. So we had good rain this weekend. Okay, that's much better. Should be able to get, I think, about 4 patties out of this. Okay. So let's get some. Just scoop it out and then smoosh it. Here you go. Smoosh it down. Depends on how big you want. Because they don't really shrink. That's about right. Okay, and put it in your hot air fryer. This is one of those meals that you've been working all day and you're tired, you want something quick and easy. Here you go. Bert's going to come in and do the taste test. He's been very busy and he was just kind of worn out, so he's taking just a little break. But he'll be here. He likes fish. Okay, this is going to be a baby fish. This is going to be a very small one. But that's okay. Look how tiny that is. That's a mini one. That's cute. Okay. Now, if you got some paprika, you could put some on top. I don't think we have any today, but anyway, we're going to cook it like this. See how Bert likes it, and then we'll take it from there. Okay, let's go cook.
Hi folks, we're back, and we've got our low-carb tuna melt patties, and I'm going to do a taste test, and all I'm going to do is take the small one and just cut into the small one.
He cooked it on 400.
It's about 15 minutes in our air fryer for this brownness. If you want it more brown, cook it a little bit longer. If you want it not quite as brown, just adjust your time to whatever you think. But I definitely think 400 is the right temperature. And it's good, it really is. But you gotta like fish. And fish is not my little girl's.
Not at all. I don't like fish. But anyway, so if you've been working all day and you want a quick and easy meal when you get home, here you go.
Now this is really quick and easy. It's a good low carb meal, and it doesn't take but just a few minutes to cook it, particularly in the air fryer. I'd say at the most, you could use you could double the recipe even, and maybe for like 20 minutes you'd have a good meal. Have a blessed day. We'd love to join our channel, subscribe, like, and share out our videos. And as we always say, God loves you, and so do we. And we'll see you soon. Bye for now.
Eat up.